See, before you wouldn't be able to see what you're filming. You would just like look at it. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that.
Cool.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Mama,
Cheese, 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 cheese.
Oh, good thing it's got that nice case on it.
Hey, buddy.
See, look at that. It's a selfie one now.
Oh, nice. How'd you do that?
I don't know. I ordered the mod.
You got a whole new...
And this is a media mod, so this enhances our talking.
handsomeness?
Our handsomeness and our
words?
Our words.
Nice. Fabulous.
Alright, YouTube. We just arrived at our first job today. We're going to be cutting down an acacia tree. So, let's go scope it out and see what's going on here. Ta-da. Let's get in the backyard real quick. I'll probably stay there and have the boys park right there. Let's get in here. Ooh, that fence is messed up. Alright, YouTube, here we go. Tough spot. So, we're gonna cut down this acacia. It's been growing way out because it's been struggling for light on this ficus. And I told the guy that we'll take back some of the ficus here. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget, like, share, subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and again, I hope you enjoy the video. Just missed it. I like coffee a lot. Very nice. Coffee's very nice. Ninja? The Ninja? Acacia's gone. Without hat racking. If you're gonna do it right. Alright YouTube, we're done here. Well, got a little cleanup to do, but Nate went up there and cleaned up the coconut palms. While Warren was back here grinding away on the stump. We reduced some of this ficus going all the way up, hanging over his house. We want to reduce some of it, so I reduced some of it properly. And then we got here where Warren was grinding the stump. We only can do so much because there's a fence tangled in there, so that's what you're gonna get. I told him from the beginning, so it shouldn't grow back after that. Yeah. So. Hope you all enjoy the video. I want to thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. And do me a favor. Don't forget to give us a call for your free estimate. Tree trimming, tree removal, stump grinding, landscape design, lawn maintenance, and pest control. Whatever you need, give us a call. 954-857-4571. Thank you for watching.